Hey everyone, this is weather forecaster Liam here with a TRA weather winter update video. Here's your top weather news and headlines. Heavy snow is very likely for millions in the northern United States tomorrow through Friday, with over 1 foot of snow accumulations possible for parts of the Midwest and Ohio Valley. But the models aren't exactly sure yet on where the heaviest line of snow will be in those areas. I will have a look at where the current National Weather Service winter alerts are issued, future radar, snowfall totals, and more. All coming up in this winter update video of TRA weather. Today is January 24th, 2020. Here's the latest look at the National Weather Service hazards map, where we have some winter weather hazards across portions of the Ohio Valley, Midwest, and around the Rocky Mountains. Now, the winter weather advisories, the area shaded in purple, across the states such as Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, Montana, Wyoming, and Colorado, can expect mainly between 3 to 5 inches of snow and slightly higher amounts in the higher elevations. Though in the eastern Midwest and Ohio Valley, where some winter storm watches are in effect in that dark blue shaded area, could dump over 1 foot of snow in some spots. And I'm expecting more advisories, watches, and eventually warnings further on into the Ohio Valley, Mid Atlantic, and eventually into the Northeast. So let's get right to it. Here's the future radar forecast from both the NAM 3 and 12 cam models for the entire United States, starting at midnight tonight, going into Tuesday. And as we look across the entire United States, the majority of the snow right now is actually in the north central and central portions of the United States. Now, in those areas, you're generally going to see between 3 and 5 inches, in higher elevations, more than that. So that snow will eventually make its way further eastward into the eastern, Midwest, Ohio Valley, Mid-Atlantic, and into the northeastern United States later on Tuesday into Wednesday and even into Thursday. So the majority of the action right now is actually in the southeastern United States, where they're seeing, yes, more rain. We do not want to see any more rain in the southeastern United States, where most of the states in the southeast have seen their wettest winter on record. So that is not good, seeing any sort of precipitation in the southeast. Though thankfully, that rain is not expected to be very heavy, just moderate at times. So hopefully that will limit any flood concerns there. Though if you do live in those areas, do be cautious of flooding. Let's go forward to Tuesday morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. That rain in the southeast starts to work its way out, and the majority of the rain is now in the mid-Atlantic Ohio Valley region. That snow is still in around the same area in north central and central United States. So now we're starting to see some snow across northern Illinois and northern Missouri, mixed with rain at times. Now let's go forward to 12 p.m. Eastern Time Tuesday. Now we're focused on the eastern half of the United States, seeing a lot more snow on this map than rain than we previously had very late Monday into Tuesday morning. Still seeing some snow across the north central and central United States, and also some rain snow mix across Illinois and Missouri. Forward to Tuesday evening, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, seeing some snow getting heavier across Illinois and Missouri, also extended into portions now in northern Indiana, portions of Michigan, Kansas, and northern Oklahoma. Forward to midnight Tuesday going into Wednesday, where we're having a decent swath of snow extending from New York State all the way down into portions of Oklahoma. Heaviest areas seeing snow is in northeastern Oklahoma, most of Missouri, most of Illinois, and northwestern Indiana. Forward again to Wednesday morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. The snow is starting to work its way out in portions of Kansas, Nebraska, and Oklahoma, though Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Ohio is still seeing some snowfall, even into the northeastern United States. And low pressure is centered over portions of southern Indiana at 1,009 millibars. Forward again to 2 p.m. Eastern Time Wednesday afternoon, seeing some rain across the southeastern United States and portions of the Ohio Valley, though on the northern and western side of that, it's all snow. extending from western Tennessee into western Kentucky, and also still in the places of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan, into some portions of southern Canada. Though northwestern Illinois, most of Missouri, looks like the snowfall will be coming to an end for your locations. Forward to 7 p.m. Eastern Time Wednesday night, center of low pressure gets a little stronger. It's on the border between New York State and Pennsylvania at 999 millibars. Seeing snow still for Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, maybe even some light flurries across Tennessee, northern Alabama, and northern Georgia. Though Missouri, Illinois, it looks like the snow is all over for you guys. And some rain again to the southern and eastern side of the storm system. Forward again to Wednesday at midnight, going into Thursday, seeing a wide swath of snow extending into some portions of the southeast, across the Appalachian Mountains and also the Ohio Valley. Now starting to get into portions of the Northeast. Now at 991 millibars, those isobars are getting much tighter, so that's an indication of some pretty strong wind. So if you live in the states of New York State, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Michigan, looks like you're going to have some pretty blustery, cold conditions with some snow showers. Now the snow is really starting to pick up across New York State, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. Though, like we've seen with every single winter weather event this year, on the coast in the Northeast, still dealing with a mostly, if not all, rain event for you guys. Forward again to Thursday afternoon, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Low pressure system continues to get stronger and more windier at 988 millibars. Still seeing snow for portions of Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, New York State, Pennsylvania, northeastern Ohio, and West Virginia. Now we go forward one more time to 1 a.m. Eastern Time Friday morning. Low pressure system is over eastern Maine, though also over portions of Canada. It's kind of separated into two different low pressure systems. Still bringing some light snow showers, though hopefully by Friday morning, all the snow will have worked its way out and just dealing with a few flurries in the far northeastern United States. So now let's go on over to your tier weather snowfall totals for now and until Friday. I'm going to show you three different models. Going to start off with the GFS first. And in the north central and central United States, exactly where and how much snow we can expect in those regions has been rather consistent with the model. So I'm rather confident on exactly where and how much snow we're going to expect in that region. However, in the eastern Midwest, Ohio Valley, Mid-Atlantic, and northeastern portions of the United States, that's where that big question mark is on exactly where and how much snowfall we can expect. In fact, just the last run of the GFS model had the bulk of the snowfall in northern Illinois, southern Michigan, and southeastern Wisconsin. That is no longer the case as of this new model run, keeping the bulk of the snowfall in that region in northern Ohio, central and northern Indiana, and central Illinois. And also some pretty decent snowfall totals in the northeastern United States. And the higher elevations could see between 12 and 15 inches. Yeah, decent accumulations up there. Now let's go over to the European model, which is much more similar to the GFS model than they were yesterday. It kind of looks like the previous run of the GFS model, though backing off a little bit on those snowfall accumulation totals here in the United States, though it keeps most of it in Canada. And last but not least, the NAM model, where it's kind of a combination between the Euro and the GFS models. Definitely the most aggressive out of the three models, mainly between 6 to 9 inches across the Ohio Valley and between 12 and 15 inches plus in the northeastern United States. And also keeps those snowfall accumulations a little closer to the coast than both the European model and GFS models had it at. So here's your storm hazards from this winter storm system. Snowfall accumulations will be high. Low visibility risk will be medium. Ice and sleet accumulations will be low. Wind will be medium. Cold temperatures during this event will be low. Power outages will be low. Rainfall mixed in with the snow will be medium. And flooding will be low. When to expect this? You can expect this from now and until Friday. in the hazardous areas, the Midwest, Ohio Valley, and northeastern portion of the United States. Hey, thanks for watching this winter update video of TRA weather. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and share this with family and friends or whoever you would think that would enjoy watching TRA weather, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also check out the links listed below to both my Twitter and Instagram pages and my brand new weather Discord channel. Thank you. See you next time.